Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Tiffany. Tiffany, this is our 1-year follow-up. Tell us about your experience with natural transplants and your results.
Like I was saying, best decision I have ever made. I was going through hair loss and shedding and such. Wasn't feeling too confident in myself, and I started looking online, researching, came across you guys' video. Um, let's just say it's the best decision I've ever made. um, I have my hairline back.
A whole entire new hairline and huge area that we covered up. When you pulled up that right side for me, what a
Yes.
difference! And
It's such a big difference. I can wear ponytails and such again. I was doing the hiding with scarves, hats, bands, everything. I don't no longer have to do that. Wow.
and you mentioned that your family is wowed over it.
Yes, they are. They are really the only people who actually knew what was going on. I hit it very well, I would think, to where even when I see others and I'm having my hair out, no wigs on, etc., they say nothing. Just my hair is really nice, it's cute, and different little styles, but they're always no tension, no pulling. But yes, no one seems to notice.
And we drew out such a curved hairline. That's what was so exciting about doing your hair. You really had a vision and you wanted these natural curves. Your hairline also gave me that natural curve to follow, but we tweaked it just enough to where you really, what I find is just so natural for you.
Yes, it is.
For somebody who's thinking about getting a hair transplant, what would you say to them?
I highly recommend you going and doing this. You will feel so much better. For myself, I feel so much better about myself. So glad that I made this decision. Best decision ever.
And Tiffany, you look amazing. And for anybody out there who's looking for a hair transplant, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. And please call us if you have any questions. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.